Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, we will learn letter Jeem. Please repeat after me. Jeem, Jeem, Jeem. Hi everyone, my name is Jeem. My head is on top the line and my belly is below the line. My name is Jeem. What's your name? MashaAllah, nice name. Close your eyes. Now open your eyes. What's the name of this letter? Yes, it's Jeem. Good job. Can you see the head and belly of Jeem? Does it have any dots? Yes. Where? In the belly. Correct. Very good job. Letter Jeem loves jelly super much. That's why you find jelly in its belly all the time. So whenever you see the jelly inside, then you should remember Jeem, jelly, Jeem, as they have the same sound, jelly and Jeem. Jelly, Jeem. Do you love jelly as well? Do you like jelly just like Jeem? Letter Jeem has different shapes in the word. It has two hands and can join and connect the letter before and after. We will use only the head of Jeem if it's joining the letter after. So this is the shape of Jeem by itself. Jeem in the beginning, Jeem in the middle, and this is the shape of Jeem at the end. So all of these shapes which have jelly in the belly, they are Jeem. Look and see how the different shapes of Jeem are joining together. So one connection in the left hand of Jeem in the beginning, two connections of Jeem in the middle, so it can join the letter before it and letter after it, and one connection in the right hand of Jeem, so it can connect the letter before it, because we start writing and reading Arabic from right side. The sound of Jeem is aj, aj, j, j. It comes by touching the middle of the tongue with the roof of the mouth. It makes short, strong echo sound. Alhamdulillah, we have learned the name, shape, and sound of Jeem. Now time for some games with Jeem. Can you tell me what's the name of this letter? It has jelly in the belly, so it's Jeem. Excellent. You take 1 star. Can you tell me how many Jeem do we have here? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have 4 Jeem. You take 2 stars. Now what's the color of Jeem? Yes, it's green. Barakallahu feekum. Now read this. Jeem, 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 and Jeem. 4 stars now. Can you tell me where is Jeem now? Yes, it's in the cube. You take 5 stars. Let's search for Jeem. It's with the jelly bean. 6 stars. Jeem needs some help to reach her house. You need to repeat Jeem. Jeem, 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 Jeem. Thank you so much for helping Jeem. 7 stars now. Let me ask you, is this letter Jeem? No. Is this one Jeem? Yes. 8 stars. Do you recognize which word has Jeem? Correct, the middle one. The middle one has Jeem, and this word is Jannah. Jannah means paradise. Let's read the names of the next letters. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jeem, Ta, Alif, Jeem, Ba. Alif, Tha, Ba, Jeem. 10 stars now. Very good job. Now time for the last activity. Please bring your Arabic notebook and let's write Jeem together. It has a head and belly with jelly inside. For more exercises on letter Jeem, download the worksheet in the video description and practice more. And for more videos, please subscribe our channel, and for live classes, please contact us on the WhatsApp. See you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.